Hi friends, I have a tutorial for a decorative fall sign, and you're going to need the following items. You're going to need this frame from the Dollar Tree. It holds 3 4x6 pictures, and I just want to make that clear because this is the frame that you will need for this tutorial. You're going to need a white or black waste basket. It just depends on your preference of the color, but you're going to cut all along the edges with regular scissors, and we're going to use this as a sheet of chicken wire. You're going to pick up 3 pumpkins. I chose to use these pumpkins because I already had them on hand. And if you haven't watched my Dollar Tree pumpkin tutorial, please go watch that video. It has gotten some great feedback, and a fellow YouTuber was able to create her own, and she added a little bit of her own style to it, and she just got so many views, and I'm so happy because I inspired somebody with my tutorial. So that's the goal here, is to inspire you to create. So hopefully you had a chance to check out that video and it helped you out with creating your pumpkins. At this point, your frame, I painted my frame white. You can either keep it black or white, but again, I'm sticking with the neutral tones, and for my farmhouse look, I painted it white and I wrapped the edges with twine, which I shouldn't have done so fast. I should have waited to the end to wrap the twine, but I want to show you what I did here. So with thumbtacks from the Dollar Tree, I sized the sheet of chicken wire and held it down with thumbtacks. Please don't worry about covering the frame completely with the chicken wire because the bottom half is going to be covered by the pumpkins. So don't worry about that. Foam tape. I actually picked this foam tape up from the Dollar Tree. I've never used it before, but it served its purpose. It was perfect for what I was trying to do, which was create 3-dimensional pumpkins. So once that you have your pumpkin set, you're going to glue the big pumpkin straight onto the frame, but not just yet. You want to see it first and see if you want it horizontal or if you'd like it vertical. It'll work either way. So from here, that's what you're going to work on. You're going to see what works for you and what it is that you're going to add to it. What worked for me is I ended up using it vertically. I was so excited about creating this project that I did not embellish my pumpkins right away. I embellished them after, and this is how I embellished them. It's just scrap pieces of material. That lace can be found at the Dollar Tree. The twine and the raffia ribbon as well can be found at the Dollar Tree. That is how I dressed my pumpkins up. Also, I would like to point out, you do not have to use the harvest sign. Those are the 3-pack that came from the Dollar Tree, and it came with welcome, harvest, and thankful. I chose to use the sign, but you don't have to. You can use clothespins and maybe hang pictures from there. You can hang a mini garland. You can make it all your own, and again, this piece works in anywhere of the house. I hung it on my door, I had it on my mantle, and I hung it in the kitchen, and it just worked. It was super cute for this season. And also, the home sign is going to be in the next tutorial. It's also from the Dollar Tree. Stick around for that one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button. I do want to see what you guys create. Please tag me or link back to my channel what you've created and how you've changed it. Like I said, the fellow YouTuber that was able to dress up her pumpkins, she did such a great job, and I was again so happy that I inspired someone to create something out of nothing. And those votive candle holders are from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was embellish them with gold glitter nail polish, and I actually took that nail polish and did some of my stems too to some green pumpkins I have. That was one of them to the left, and that's actually in another video as well. And again, this works anywhere in your home. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this project. Please tag me or link back to my channel if you create this and make it all your own. I want to see. Thanks again, and I hope that I've inspired you to create, and have a great week, guys. Bye.